I'm good, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design 3D text effect in Pixellab. So, without wasting much time, let's get back to the business of today. So, what's the first thing you have to do? The first thing we have to do right now is to click here, that where my pink, where you are seeing the pink color on, then go to your image size, then you change it to, then you click on this place, actually this place, click on it. After you click on it, you bring all this. So after that, just click on YouTube channel bar or YouTube thumbnail. So anyone. So I'm clicking on YouTube channel bar. Good. So this is it. So after the next thing I'm going to be doing is to change the background color to this top color, to this crazy color that I have chosen before, but because of tutorial sake, so let me tell you the color code. So the color code for this, actually for this first one, is 6A7602. 6A7602. So the color code for the second one is 6ABE07. CEBE07. I repeat, 6CEBE07. CEBE07. So good. So click on OK. So this is the color we are using for the background color. So after that, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on this about text. Then you're going to click on, let me say I want to work on this ignite. So let me say I want to work on this. So I'm going to give it a capital letter. So after capital letter, I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to increase it a little bit. So after increasing a little bit, I'm going to go to my font. I'm going to change the font to wolf something. So I'm using wolfbanezexpand. So I'm going to be showing the link, sorry, the name. So this is it. So this is what I'm using. Good. So after that, I'm going to place it at the middle. Just go to your creative position, make sure it's at the middle. So after that, next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to your curve. You click on curve, then you curve it a little bit. Actually, this is actually okay. So 35 is okay. So go to your lazy position again, then place at the middle. Good. So after that, you're going to copy it. So just click on your layer, then you edit. You don't put it. So good. So after you copy it, the next thing you're going to be going is to click on it, then you go to your stroke color, go to stroke, then give it white stroke of 4. So it's okay like this. So just give it something like this. So after that is okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to your opacity. Go to your shadow, click on the shadow, give it something like 15 shadow. 15. So I'm going to check something 15 or 10. Okay, let's give it 10. So after you give it 10, let me check the x-y-axis. Good. So the x-y should be around 15. So can you see the x-y-axis should be around 15? Good. Sorry, the y-axis, the offset y should be 15. So just leave the x. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be going, you should go to your 3D rotate. Sorry, your 3D test. So click on it, enable it, just leave it at this perspective here. So after that, you leave it at the depth 10, leave it as auto color, then go to your darken, then change it to 20 darken. 20. Good. So after you change it to 20, leave it at, don't rotate it, just leave it like that. Or just okay, let's give it this. Okay, this one should be 0. Let's give it rotation of, let me check 20 if it's going to work harder. So let's say you want to give it 20. Good. So let me check this out. This rotates. Okay, rotate Z does not need, you don't need rotate Z. Good. So let's give it this. Actually, this one should be 10. So good. Okay. So after that, just change to 54. 54, just 54. Good. So after I change to 54, 3D test again. Sorry. So it's actually the depth 10, then the darken should be 20. Don't forget 20. Then this rotate should be something 20. Good. So let's go. So what they call it, this one should be 54. Good. So after that, the next thing we are going to be doing, we are done with this actually. So what we are going to be doing next is to click on this one. We just hit this one. So after you click on it, the next thing you're going to do is to, it is at the front, is to duplicate it again. Good. So you're going to be using 3. So this one you duplicate, just hit it again. Just hit it. Good. So let's focus on this one. So after that, this one is actually white color. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to go to your stroke, then give it red color, red stroke. So good. So actually 3 is okay. So we are using 3 for it. Good. So then you place it on top of here like this. So you're going to go to your relative position, then you place it here. Good. So that means the first one is not at the middle, so not place at the middle very well. So can you see right now? Okay. There's something we need to do. We are going to go back to our 3D text, enable. So after you enable it, just this one should be 0, depth, no darken. Then go to your S rotate. We give it something 20. So exactly. So just increase it, just duplicate it like this, then you delete this one that you hit before, then you hit this one again. So after that, just put it at the middle so that it will be at the middle. Just go to your lazy position, then place it at the middle. Lazy position. Good. So can you see it at the middle right now? So good. So this is what I actually want. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to your, so this one that you hit, so bring it out alive, then place it at the middle again. Place at the middle. Good. So after I place at the middle, the next thing you're going to be going is to go to your texture. So I'm going to be saying this thing, and so I'm going to be using this as texture. So just leave it like this. Good. So after that, just do something like this. Good. Enable it. So let's check what we're doing. Good. So that one you gave, so now the next thing is to go to your stroke. Okay, good. Okay, we gave it red before, so I'm going to change it to white stroke. So can you see it? So can you see that we are done with that? So after that, the next thing we are going to be doing is to go to our plus button, click on sticker, then find this, actually this stuff, find it. So we are going to increase this stuff, just zoom it, then decrease it a little bit, decrease it. Then I'm going to place it here, So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to duplicate it. I'm going to place it around here. So let me find something. I'm going to place this around this eye. So duplicate it again. Then I'm going to place it around this. So let's zoom and see what we are doing. So we are done with that. So can you see it's actually okay? So you can actually save it as ultra or as very high. So just go to your save as image, save as PNG, save as very high or ultra. I have saved it before, that's why I don't want to save it again. So thank you for watching up to now. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it. Thank you for watching up to now.